Greetings, Mark Brown here. We're going to be looking at how we can create a Venn diagram in our PowerPoint presentation. Yes, very important. So I'm going to walk you through it step by step, or you can actually create a Venn diagram right there in your PowerPoint presentation. As you can see right here, for the PowerPoint presentation, but what I wanted to do, I want to create, right, select a blank document to put that one on it. So come right here, going to select a blank one right here, all right? So first we want to go up to insert right here. You're going to come all the way right here to shape. Click on the pointer shape. Right, you're going to click this one circle. Going to go along the touchpad of the mouse. And you come like that. You have one circle. You notice you go right back over here. Click on that circle. And you're going to cross it just like that. Right, let me give it a nice, let me increase it some more. I'm going to get over here. And then increase this one. Right, and bring it up a little bigger. So for, all right, let's just put it like this. All right, good. So now I have it right here. Now what I wanted to do, you notice this one select, right? You want to come right up here that says shape style, and you're going to click right here, right? And you're going to click right here, say no fill. Notice it actually crossed already. You're going to click on this one. You're going to go right back up here, and click on look up pointer and say no fill. If you notice, it actually crossed so far, right? So you're going to put in some words now. So you're going to click. We can either use text box right here, or we can use the shape. All right. Let me use both of them. Click right here. Right. So I'm going to hold on left side of the mouse and drag it right here. Right. So I can put 23 centimeter right there. Notice I have 23 centimeter right here. All right. I'm going to use this shape. I like this now. I'm going to use the shape like this. You notice the color. The only thing I have to do come right here. Right, and click on this one. Notice it clear. So in the box now, I'm going to right click and right here is edit text. Right. So I want to put 12 centimeter. Just the same. Right. We notice, but this one don't have an outline, but this one have it. But if you want to remove this, just simply click back on it. Come right up here. Click on shape fill. And set no fill. You're going to go back up right here and look on shape outline and click. You're going to set no outline. And if you notice, there you go. All right, so we're gonna click on insert again to get some text box right here. Gonna put the next one right here and put 10 centimeter right there. Good. So we're gonna click on insert already. Use the text box right here. All right, and put another 10 centimeter here. Right, but if you notice, if I try to come like if I click on this and try to move, you notice on the circle move, right? And why circle move, everything is a move. In order for you to keep everything together, that then don't move. All right, you notice the circle highlight, you're going to hold on the shift key or the control key. Click on the second one, click on all of them like that. Show all of them highlight like that. Good. So notice with all of them highlight like that, what you wanted to do definitely. You notice right up here, that's a shape format shape. You click. All right, when I click, if you notice right up here, it's a group. You're gonna click on the little pointer. You notice right here is a group. So when I click on group, right, if you notice, if I put the cursor on it right here, notice everything move. Yes, so this is how we actually create a Venn diagram right here in the PowerPoint presentation. So thanks for watching. See you in the next video.